Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wise App. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about the application of Wise and you will go here to this window. Then here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like